What's going on, guys? Pops with Team Lethal here, and for our 2-Minute Tuesday, we're going to be looking at the new LPX twin disc clutch. So the LPX and the LPXHD are both a twin disc setup. What does that mean? There's going to be a clutch disc, a floater disc, and then another clutch disc. So while the LPX holds 800 foot-pounds of torque and the LPXHD holds 1,000 foot-pounds of torque, they are both identical. The only difference is the pressure plate on the HD has more of a clamping force. That's what allows it to hold more foot-pounds of torque. The applications that it's going to be able to fit are 96 and up GTs, your Cobras, your Mach 1s, and your 7 to 14 GT500. Both of these clutches have a dedicated flywheel, which means that they're both going to be sold as a full assembly kit. So as far as the material of these clutch discs, it's going to be right in the middle between an organic and a ceramic. It's going to be Kevlar. So that, in conjunction with the fact that they're twin disc setups, is going to allow for a stock pedal feel with way more clamping force. Both of these clutches come in a 10 spline or a 26 spline setup, and you can get them in either steel or aluminum. Both of these clutch kits are under $1,400, so now you know what to spend your Biden bucks on. I'm Pops, and this has been 2-Minute Tuesdays.
Excuse me, sir?
But you said this is all I need. Waiting on you.
Huh?
Waiting on you.
Me?
Yeah.
For what?
To stop rolling that thing.